Guys, so I'm not really sure if I want to make this video. I want to, but I'm not even sure where to begin. Today's video, if this actually happens, is about cleaning my space, like cleaning my room. I have been traveling for so long. I have suitcases that have not been unpacked. One of my least favorite things to do is unpack, and please let me know if you guys can relate. Like, I'm a really good packer. I pack very well, and the one thing that I absolutely hate, I hate unpacking when I'm back from trips or from shoots where I had to pack like a lot of stuff. So I just got back from Goa and then I left immediately for Alibag. There is stuff everywhere. Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm actually a little embarrassed to kind of show this. When my mom kind of like sees everything is organized, she'll kind of ask me, for how long is this going to stay this way? So yeah, I think because I am trying to be a little bit more consistent with my channel, I thought of being a little bit more transparent. Honestly, it's taking me a lot of guts and it is pretty embarrassing to kind of take you guys into this side of my life. But honestly, this has been the state of my mind as well. My headspace has also been very cluttered, and it kind of reflects in the way I have been living. I had never thought I would say that out loud on camera, and wow, it is hard for me to open up. So I thought of doing this on camera to hold myself a little bit more accountable that I actually finish cleaning my space. I should definitely just start cleaning and show you guys like the before, and then hopefully there is a clean after. Like, things are scattered all over the floor right next to the entrance, okay? So people can't even enter my house. So yeah, there's like stuff everywhere. Like, just dumped it all out because I wanted to find something. I have so many new packages to be opened, like a Nykaa package here, a Nykaa package there. So yeah, that's the state of my room right now, and hopefully by the end of an hour I will be able to clean everything. Hey guys, so I made it to A Living. I kind of picked up pieces from here, and if you guys have seen like my old room tour, so I had decorated my bedroom from pieces that I picked up from A Living. So it's so nice meeting you again.
Same.
I know we keep bumping into each other for like events and stuff, but like I was telling you that I wanted to revamp like my whole space. Have you seen the state of my space? Like, there is stuff everywhere. There's literally stuff everywhere. So I thought of like decluttering, and I also feel like I've grown up in a way.
Maybe give you some really cool bedding, give you cool cushions,
Yeah.
a nice throw, and just sort you out so that you want to keep it neat, you want
Yeah.
it to look good and
Nice and
presentable as well.
inviting, and really excited. I don't know if you guys, if you're in Bombay, I want you to come down. Just come see the place because it just makes me so happy to be
Thank
here.
you.
I came down here for the first time and I was like mind blown because this is exactly the kind of, like, I love your aesthetic sense.
you
It's
so
so
much.
nice. So
Thank you.
if you guys aren't already following her, please go follow her. A Living. This is not sponsored at all. Like, I genuinely love her stuff. And like, my room is where I just have my bed, my curtains, and like a free space.
Okay.
So I think just
You need a cozy rug as well.
yeah.
Then, yeah.
Okay, so I think that's done for the bedroom.
I think it looks amazing.
Yeah,
I think you're gonna love it. Yeah,
I love
can't
it
wait
so
to see it
much.
in your space.
So I also recently got a sofa. It's
Okay.
light blue, like a grayish blue in
Right.
color.
Okay.
And I got like a TV unit.
Right.
This is the white TV
Okay,
unit, which
alright.
is right in front of the sofa. So I want to decorate the sofa,
Right.
make it a little bit more cozy,
Okay.
have kind of like a similar theme going on from
Lovely.
the bed.
So let's give you some nice cushions to go with. Again, like maybe a really nice throw to go with the couch, and then maybe give you a few little artifacts, so maybe like a fairy light dome, or something that'll give you that little young touch, because I think that's important.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let's go pick up sofa stuff then.
Let's go.